I have made over $500 listening to music, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It may sound ridiculous, but you can actually make money just listening to music. People are being paid every day to listen to their favorite music in increasing numbers, but you want to discover how. Then, you gotta continue watching and learn more about this new opportunity. Do you like listening to music? There are a lot of genuine ways to make money by listening to music. There are several respectable applications, websites, and music programs that will pay you to listen to music while you're on your computer watching TV, eating, or working. In today's video, we're going to be looking at one of the best websites that will help you make money from simply listening to music. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the online education platform. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips, and don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. The website we're going to be looking at today is Mixkit.com. Mixkit is a free video library with thousands of stock video clips, music tracks, sound effects, and video themes to choose from. Mixkit curates clips, melodies, and templates from some of the world's most outstanding creators, all of which are freely available. They have a free collection that is rapidly expanding, with new video assets being added on a weekly basis. You can always locate the right high-quality object to use in your project and download it for free. You can also download as many videos, sounds, and templates as you need, with no attribution or sign-up required. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the popular music streaming service Mixkit.com, where you'll find tons of free resources and you can use it in your own projects. We won't be building anything here, but rather, we'll be listening to music and earning money from it. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Now, how much can you make in a day, you might ask? As you can see, there are literally thousands of people from all over the world who are making money online by listening to music. Let us quickly calculate how much money you can make in a day, and it's so easy. Now, if you listen to just one song, you can earn about $8. If you listen to 10 songs, then you'll be paid about $80. If you listen to 20 songs, you'll be paid $160. If you listen to 50 songs, you'll be paid $400, and listening to 100 songs will earn you up to $800, and even more. The opportunity is endless, really. The only thing you need is to make sure that you have your smartphone or laptop ready and sign up. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more information, explanations, and tips on how to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now let's get back into the video. How do you go about making money? Firstly, you need to go to the website and you'll see all the music tracks that you can listen to and make money. There are thousands of songs on this website, and you will find the different music genres that are available. You can make money with any of these genres, so go ahead and open any of them. When you do, you'll find a collection of free tracks that you can download. So go ahead and click the play button on any song right on the website and start listening to it. You don't have to listen to the entire song because there are thousands of songs to choose from. So when you get a song that you like, click on the download button and let the song save to your computer. Now you have to do this for as many songs as possible. Keep doing it, as this will determine the amount of money you're going to make. For the next step, go to the website Upforever.com. This is where you're going to make money from. Upforever.com is a website that lets you upload files and pictures and get money in return. Upforever is an e-commerce company that offers a free file upload service as well as the opportunity to earn money by uploading files. Profits are computed based on the number of downloads. In other countries, Upforever pays as much as $7 per 1,000 downloads. Now the next step is to upload all the songs that you just downloaded from Mixkit. After you've done this, you'll begin to get money each time someone downloads any of the songs that you've uploaded. It's that simple. Now you have to keep repeating the cycle. Go back to Mixkit, download lots of songs, and upload it to Upforever. After uploading, you will be provided with some links. To receive your important links, simply follow the simple upload instructions. When you're done, the Upforever website will provide you with a variety of links. You can now go ahead to share these links on your blog, Facebook groups, Twitter account, or other public locations. The more people you can get to download these songs, the more money you will make. So make sure you share it as many people as possible. How do you register for Upforever? Well, it's easy. Go to the Upforever website and join up using your personal information. To choose how you want to receive money, enter your PayPal account information. PayPal is a well-known and reliable platform that is frequently used with passive income websites. Before registering, carefully read all of the terms and conditions. There are no risks as long as you adhere to these recommendations and terms and conditions. There are no financial risks or upfront payments. Simply register and follow the guidelines to make money. Be careful not to upload anything that will violate the terms of service of the website, as this can lead to the closure of your account. First, let's go over the steps again. Firstly, go over to Mixkit and download as many songs as possible. Next, head on to Upforever and create your account. Then proceed to upload all the songs you've downloaded. Next, get your link and begin to share this link. You can repeat this process as many times as possible to keep earning. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comments section. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I will see you in the next video. I hope that you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really hope to see you again.